Hello pool players, got a good video for you guys today. I'm excited to bring you this. I want to present an offer to you that you cannot refuse. Now, before I get into that though, I want to say thank you to all of you who have recently subscribed to my channel. In the last month, I've averaged 150 new subscribers per day. I must be doing the right thing because a lot of you are putting your faith in me, and I'm excited about helping you with your game. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me grow this channel. So now let me help you with your game, and that's what this offer is all about. You know, I mentioned in my YouTube short videos that if you're a serious pool player and you really want to learn, or maybe you've plateaued and you need help, then reach out so that we can start working on your game today. I truly, truly mean that. And recently, just to show you, I've worked with 3 players one-on-one. It was kind of a test training, so to speak, where I've worked exclusively with them. I've determined what areas of their game they needed to work on, and then I've put together a program for them, and it has helped them big time. One in particular had just picked up the cue for the first time back in July of last year, of 2024, so that's just 7 months ago, and already he is an APA 6. I predict he'll be a 7 probably within a month, for sure. He's just an extraordinary player, but he's followed my instructions to a T, and it has really helped him. And he has told me that he has not deviated. So that's the key here. I have proven methods and techniques that have helped me grow my game that I want to share with you in the right sequence. That's the key. So if you really want to learn more about this game, please, please reach out. Now let me give you a quick tip on what I also do. When you ask me a question, I've had this happen in the past, and in fact, just today I did this. I had a player ask me how to shoot from the rail if the cue ball is frozen to the rail. Well, several months ago, I gave a video response. I call it answering my subscribers' questions. If I cannot better answer the question through a text or providing a past tutorial, I will do a personal video that addresses that player's question. So I had done that. I had answered that person's question with that cue ball on the rail, and sure enough, I got the question again today, and I gave that same video to that individual, and he thanked me immensely because it was very, very helpful. So that's unique to my channel. Not a lot of channels, I think, do that. I know that I look back in the past when I started, and I really followed 3 to 4 channels primarily, and I reached out to those channels asking questions or making a comment, mostly questions though, because I was new to the game, right? Only one ever answered me. And, you know, it was really surprising because I thought, well, geez, you know, they're showing this. So I wonder why they're not. Well, they're probably too big. They got too many subscribers and they're overwhelmed. I guess that's really what it was. And I never have heard back from them. But you know what? It taught me a lesson because I was building a channel at that time. I was real new to the game, but I had a little YouTube channel, kind of like perking along. And I said to myself, I'll never do that. I'm going to always answer every single question or comment and also assist any player that has a desire to learn. And since I've grown my game to the level I'm at today, I started out as a D player and now I'm a B to a B plus player and striving to be an A player. Along the way, I've learned a lot, proven methods and techniques, and I want to share those with you. And if I can put together something that'll help you get out of that plateau or increase your ability to play this game, that's really what I'm all about. So I'm your personal coach. Look at me that way. I'm a retired individual. I pretty much eat, drink, and sleep pool. I really do. I have a passion for this game, and I have a real passion to help you with yours. So if you guys want to reach out, I'm here for you. Now, I want to keep this kind of short. I'm not going to go too long into this, but let me just say this. At the end of my videos, there's a win-win situation here as well. I want you to share my videos. Some of these videos that are like 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes long can take 10 to 12, 14 hours to make. So if you could please share those, that'll help my channel tremendously. Always hit the thumbs up. That thumbs up really drives the algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. You hear other YouTube channels talk about that all the time. It's that important for us as creators. So please do that for me. Now, at the end of every video, I always try to do this. I want to share with you an informative tutorial that will truly help your game. So watch that one right there. And until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.